What's going on YouTube? My name is Seth. I'm the drummer of Silence the Requiem. This video is basically just going to teach you, because I couldn't find any videos on how to do this. It's going to teach you how to use one of these. This is an Alesis Perk Pad, but really any drum controller, with Fruity Loops, and this is for live triggering, such as samples or bass drops that you want to put in your concert and assign custom samples to it. You're going to need, of course, the drum pad. What else you're going to need is this. This is a USB to MIDI cable. It just plugs in here on MIDI out. Sorry, you can't really see that well. That cable's going to run you about $40, but here we go. Now, I have mine, so our set starts out with a sample, so that when I hit this one, it has 4 pads, one here, 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 and here, if you can see that. But this one, I put as my sample.
God damn it, an entire generation pumping gas.
We'll stop that. Then I have a short bass drop here, medium bass drop here, and a long bass drop here, if you can hear that. These sounds did not come on the module. Here are the sounds on the module here. You can't really see. I have a shitty camera. It's just my phone. But anyways, how you do this. Let me close this out and I'll show you from the beginning. You want to hook up your pad straight to the laptop. Of course, MIDI out. That's all that is. And my laptop is broken, or else I'd be showing it to you from there. Go into here and open Fruity Loops. You want to go under options here. If you can see that, you go under options right up here, click on MIDI settings, and then find your MIDI controller. Mine is right here. It says MIDI Sport Uno out. Going down here to where it says input, mine says MIDI Sport Uno in, and make sure enable right here. Make sure it's enabled. This should say generic controller. Auto accept, support, hold. I'm not sure what that means, but okay. Now you go under the top and click on channels up here. This is kind of hard to film. Add one. Go down to where it says FPC. Okay, it brings up this thing. Now you gotta find, at least for this one, you have to find which channel corresponds to which one. I want to use this one, this one, this one, and this one, and pretty much make it just like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So we need to find this one. That's the sound that it's making. So I already have mine preset to there. For me, it's channel 49 for this one. This is where I select my MIDI channel. If I press a different one and hit it, it does a different one. Now I had enough 49. That's it. I already have mine all set up like that. So now, how do you put your own samples onto it? Okay, first of all, this thing is kind of weird, and I want it so that when I hit it, no matter if I hit it light or I hit it hard, it's going to play the same sound at the same volume level. That's what I want to do. So I'm going to make this one a bass drop, an 808. These 3 things right here, if you have 3 of them, like this one, if you hit it light, it plays that one. If you hit it medium, it plays this second one right here. And if you hit it hard, it plays this third one. I want to get rid of that. So what I do is I click on 2 and keep deleting until there's only one left. This little bar right here, extend this all the way out. This makes it so that no matter how hard you hit it light, you hit it hard, it's all going to play the same sound. Here's your volume. Okay. Now, what you want to do to program your own sound into it, click on this little folder right here. Tiny little folder. And then find the sound that you want. You should have your own sounds. You can find those. I just searched bass drop samples and I found these ones. So let's see. I'm gonna click this long bass drop sample because that's the one that I want to use. And now you see when you press this, click it, it plays your bass drop sample. And also, when you press it on here, there's my bass drop sample. And you do the same for each one of these. Like if I wanted to change this one from a crash, or do the same thing, go down here, folder, and choose whatever one you want. I'm gonna put, you know what, I'll put my sample that I use for my band right here. And now when I hit it here, it plays the sample. Wait a minute. That's the wrong one. I forgot. If you're trying to do this one, and you see when you hit it, it lights up, click on the one where it lights up at. You have to click this before you do this. Click this, the one where it lights up at, and then go down here to the folder. And now I'm going to put my sample. So when you click this, see, I want to get rid of these. Forgot about this part already. I literally just figured out how to do this, so forgive me. Make sure there's only one on here, and extend this little bar all the way out like that instead of just like that. Extend it all the way out. Now when I press it,
God damn it, an entire generation pumping gas.
And there's my sample.
Waiting tables.
I'll stop that. And when I press it on here, this is the pad.
God damn it, an entire generation pumping gas. Waiting tables.
Okay, cool. So then you just go under here at the top, file, save as, and then save it as whatever you want. You can close Fruity Loops. I'm not going to save this one. I'm going to show you the one that I already have saved. Now I'm going to open Fruity Loops, and you have to do this every time for live. File, open, and you open the one that you just saved. I named it as Elisa Sample Pad. Double click on it. Now you have to press this, just the box that says FPC. I just click it up here. And then you have to click one of these boxes, because see how this is all back? When you click one of the boxes that you messed with, for example, my sample,
God damn it, an entire generation.
all that goes away. You see there's only one of these here. I'm using this one, I'm using this one, and this one. That's it. Now you're ready to play live. I got my sample here.
God damn it, an entire generation.
Let me
pumping gas.
stop that now. Sample's like a minute long. Short bass drop here. Medium bass drop. I know they don't sound good. I haven't found the sounds that I want to use for them yet. Medium bass drop. Long bass drop. And that's it. You are ready to go. Hope this video helps you. If you thought so, because I wish that I had one. Hit the like button. Comment if you have any questions, and I'll try to help you out. I don't know a lot about FL Studios, but I'm sure I can get you working on triggering live samples, custom samples.